The Samsung Galaxy M42 5G prices and specifications. Hello and welcome to Smart Gadgets. Don't forget to subscribe. Samsung Galaxy M42 5G smartphone was launched on April 28, 2021. The phone comes with a 6.60-inch touchscreen display. It comes with 6 GB of RAM. The Samsung Galaxy M42 5G runs Android 11 and is powered by a 5000 mAh battery. The Samsung Galaxy M42 5G supports proprietary fast charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Samsung Galaxy M42 5G on the rear packs a 48-megapixel primary camera, an 8-megapixel camera, a 5-megapixel camera, and a 5-megapixel camera. It sports a 20-megapixel camera on the front for selfies. The Samsung Galaxy M42 5G is at a price €248 and $302. The Samsung Galaxy M42 5G runs One UI 3.1, is based on Android 11 and packs 128 GB of inbuilt storage that can be expanded via micro SD card, up to 1000 GB. It was launched in Prism.Black and Prism.Gray colors, hybrid dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby. Connectivity options on the Samsung Galaxy M42 5G include network technology GSM, HSPA, LTE, 5G, hotspot, Wi-Fi 802.11, a BGNAC, Bluetooth V5.00, USB Type-C 2.0. Sensors: fingerprint, under display, optical, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass. For any question, comment below and will be answered. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Huh?